Dear students, myself Dr. Sritama Dotto, Assistant Professor, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today's topic is ray optics. In this section, we discuss about the refraction of light. What is refraction? That means প্রতিফলন, আলোর প্রতিফলন. What is this? The deviation of light rays from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called refraction of light. আমরা যদি দেখি দুটো মিডিয়াম আছে, this is the one medium, this is another medium. যখন লাইট একটা মিডিয়ামের মধ্যে দিয়ে যেতে যেতে অন্য একটা মিডিয়ামের মধ্যে এসে পড়ে, তখন they are deviated from the path of the light. This phenomena is called the diffraction. In this picture, we see that this is the angle of incidence. So this is the incident ray. This is the I is the angle of incidence. This is the refracted ray, and the angle between the normal and the refracted ray is called refracted angle. It is denoted as R. It is also called angle of refraction. What is the cause of the refraction? The speed of light in different medium is different. This is the only cause of the refraction of light. Now, we shall talk about the laws of refraction. There is two laws of refraction. First thing, the incident ray, we already discussed that this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray. And this point is a point of incidence. And this line is normal. The incident ray, diffracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence, all three are lies in the same plane. Okay. And the second thing is the ratio of sine angle of incidence, that is sin I, is equal to the sine angle of refraction, is constant. That means sin I by sin R is equal to constant. And it is constant for a pair of two medium. এই মিডিয়াম দুটো যদি একই থাকে তাহলে অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ইনসিডেন্স sine of angle of incidence divided by sine of angle of diffracted ray is equal to constant, and this law is known as Snell's law. Now, what is diffractive index? The ratio of speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in any medium is called the refractive index of the medium. It denoted as mu. That means mu is equal to C by V. C is the speed of light in vacuum, and V is the speed of light in any medium. This is called the refractive index. Now another term is relative refractive index. What is relative refractive index? The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium instead of the vacuum is called the relative refractive index. যদি দুটো মিডিয়াম থাকে, যদি ভ্যাকুয়ামের সঙ্গে কোনো মিডিয়ামের refractive index ধরা হয়, this is called only the refractive index. But relative refractive index is called the refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium. Now the term is very important, which is critical angle. What is critical angle? The angle of incidence in a denser medium for which the angle of refraction in rarer medium becomes 90 degrees is called the critical angle. This is a denser medium and this is a rarer medium. Incident rate যে angle of incidence পড়লে refracted rate 90 degree হয়, refracted angle 90 degree হয়, this angle is called the critical angle. আমরা যদি normal refraction দেখি, that means this black line, এই black লাইনটা যে angle of incidence পড়ছে সেটা angle of refraction. This is the angle of refraction. কিন্তু এই রেড লাইটটা যে অ্যাঙ্গেলে পড়ছে, অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ রিফ্রাকশন কত হচ্ছে না 90 ডিগ্রি হচ্ছে। দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ইনসিডেন্স ইজ কল দ্য ক্রিটিক্যাল অ্যাঙ্গেল, যার জন্য অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ রিফ্রাকশনটা হচ্ছে 90 ডিগ্রি। তো the formula is refracting index of denser medium mu is equal to 1 by sin c. What is c? C is the critical angle. Another phenomenon is total internal reflection. Note that this is called reflection, not refraction. Total internal reflection. When a light ray traveling from a denser medium towards a rarer medium is incident at an interface at an angle of incidence greater than the critical angle, then light rays reflected back into the same medium, that means this denser medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Total internal reflection এ কি হচ্ছে, আমরা অলরেডি দেখেছি যে যদি লাইট রে ডেন্সার মিডিয়াম থেকে রেয়ারার মিডিয়ামে যায়, অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ক্রিটিক্যাল অ্যাঙ্গেলে যদি ইনসিডেন্সটা হয়, then it is going to the this along this direction, that means angle of refraction is 90 degree. এবার এর থেকে বেশি অ্যাঙ্গেলে, ক্রিটিক্যাল অ্যাঙ্গেলের থেকে বেশি অ্যাঙ্গেল করে যদি আমাদের ইনসিডেন্স রেটা পয়েন্ট অফ ইনসিডেন্সে পড়ে, দুটো মিডিয়ামের মধ্যে পড়ে, তাহলে রিফ্র্যাক্টেড রেটা আবার ডেন্সার মিডিয়ামে রিবাউন্স করে। তার মানে কি হচ্ছে, অ্যাজ ইফ রিফ্লেকশনের মতো হচ্ছে এবং দেয়ার ইজ আ টোটাল ইন্টারনাল রিফ্লেকশন। এখান থেকে ইনসিডেন্স রেটা পড়ছে, উইথাউট রিফ্রাকশন ওটা আবার সেই মিডিয়ামে ব্যাক করছে। আমরা আগের লেকচারে দেখেছি কি যে এক মিডিয়াম থেকে সেম মিডিয়ামে যদি লাইট ব্যাক করে, দিস ইজ কল্ড রিফ্লেকশন। সো ইট ইজ কল্ড টোটাল ইন্টারনাল রিফ্লেকশন। So critical angle increases with temperature. Now the phenomenon, that is the refractive index is maximum for violet color of the light and minimum for red color. That is mu v. V for violet is greater than mu r. Therefore critical angle is maximum for red color of the light and the minimum for the violet color. The total internal reflection occurs if angle of incidence in denser medium exceeds the critical angle. This is the one of the cause. This is the main condition of the internal reflection. We see the mirage, that means Morichika in the desert. This is the phenomena of total internal reflection. Based on the phenomena of total internal reflection, the optical fibers made. Optical fibers consist of several thousands of very long, fine quality fibers of glass or quartz. The diameter of each fiber is of the order of 10 to 4 centimeter, with refractive index of the material being of the order of 1.5. Optical fibers are used in transmission and reception of electrical signals by converting them first into the light signal. Thank you.